Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a custom backgrounds using Adobe Firefly on mobile. Let's get started. First, launch your Adobe Firefly app, then sign in with your account. You can use a free account or if you don't have one, make sure to sign it up. Then here tap text to image. Then enter a prompt for a custom background. Type something like this, like a static pastel sky background with soft clouds, or vintage flower wallpaper in watercolor style, and whatever prompts that you like. And after that, tap generate. Wait a few seconds and the Firefly will generate four unique backgrounds images. And tap the image and tap download for a long press save to device. And fine tune your background. You can tap the style to choose the art style that you like. You can also adjust the aspect ratio to make your background horizontal or landscape. Then, use a content type. If it's available, you can refine realism or art look. And that's it. That's how to create a custom backgrounds using that app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.